Okay, Dyersburg traffic 6781 Delta Twin Cessna taxiing for 22. We are aware of the aircraft taking off on runway 4, Dyersburg. All right, let's get moving towards 22. Today we are going to Union City, Tennessee. It's only a short trip. Plane is heading out to its annual. So it's only about a 15-minute flight, but I feel like we'll take the long way around just to give us a chance to fly on this beautiful day. Just had a Bonanza taking off in front of us. Good looking takeoff. The plane was just returned from Mena, Arkansas yesterday. We had the interior replaced. Not even refurbished, but replaced. Incredible job they did down there in Mena. Very easy to work with. Do a quick run up, we'll catch you at the other end. Dyersburg traffic, an aircraft just departed the area. Are you leaving the area or are you in the pattern?
I'm flying around Dyersburg. I'll be operating about 4 to 5 miles north of the field. So I ain't really leaving. I'll be in the area, about 1,000 and below.
All right, very good. That's the thing, as with all things, keep those lines of communication open. We're a small, uncontrolled airfield, so it's critical that the folks in the air and on the ground, taxiing around, and we all stay in good contact with each other. I like 90. Two positives, gear up. All right, we just crossed over 1,000. You hear the engine come back a little bit to the climb settings.
West Memphis traffic, Cherokee 7417 Romeo, left downwind runway 35, touch and go, West Memphis traffic.
Okay, we'll let the autopilot have it. We'll be on about a 137 heading. We're climbing to 5,500. Climbing through about 2.5. Still climbing, so still a climb setting.
West Memphis traffic, Cherokee 7417 Romeo, left stage 35, West Memphis traffic.
And maybe we'll let 3,500 be enough today. We're at 3.2 now, coming up on 35.
West Memphis traffic 35746, just passed over the runway east-west of the entering left downwind for 35.
Altitude 200 to go.
West Memphis traffic, Cherokee 7417 Romeo with final 35 West Memphis traffic.
There's our altitude. Let things wind out for a little bit at 3,500.
746 on left downwind for 35, look for the other traffic.
Here's a little change in the engine when we go from 2,500 RPMs to 23.
Aircraft on final at West Memphis, what's the position now? And West Memphis traffic, Cessna 35746 on the left base for 35. We'll be making a touch and go.
And I think we'll do RNAV 2 into low approach in.
Memphis traffic. West Memphis traffic, Cherokee 7417 Romeo. Left crosswind, West Memphis traffic. Dyersburg traffic, Mooney 2 Romeo Juliet, it's about 2 miles west of the field, inbound for landing from runway.
Jackson Tower, 6871 Delta.
November 6871 Delta, Jackson Tower.
Yes, sir. 6871 Delta would like to do, we're about 20 miles
Altitude.
northwest of the field, and we'd like to come in for a low approach RNAV 2.
November 6871 Delta, roger. Maintain VFR practice approach, approved, no separation services provided. Let's do Zippo, report Zippo inbound runway 2.
Report Zippo inbound runway 2. Thank you. 6871 Delta. We're about 20 miles from Zippo, which is our fix in the sky.
And Jackson Tower 701, this is actually going to be a full stop. We'll exit up here.
701, roger. Turn left on Delta, taxi to the ramp.
Left to Delta, taxi to ramp. 701.
Yeah, we're only 500 feet above where we need to be. We need to come into Zippo at 3,000. We're at 3,500. So we've got some time. Bit scan going. Everything looks good. Trying to keep these fuel mixtures adjusted properly. But you know as well as I do that you can spend as much time as you wanted, certainly, tweaking these mixtures. All right, we look good there. Remind me that I'm on my auxiliary tanks. RF20 in Jackson. Requirement, the tower is to report Zeals inbound, which we are about a mile and a half away from. Jackson Tower 6871 Delta, Zeals inbound.
Twin Cessna 71 Delta Tower, runway 20, clear for the option. Traffic is a Cessna. He is coming up over the numbers for a touch and go.
Very good, 6871 Delta, cleared for the option. Everything looks good. The glide slope is where I want it. The needle is where I want it. Good pitch, stabilized approach. We'll take it. We're descending down through 1,500. This low approach allows us down to 710 feet. About another 600 feet. Okay, I'll take the aircraft. You'll hear a beep. That's the autopilot turning off. Okay, there's our minimum. We will level off. Get the power going back up. Gear, flaps.
Twin Cessna 71 Delta on course. Enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day too. I'm climbing out through 1.1 and turning out to the west at about 1.5. Okay, begin our turn out to the west. Climbing turn.
Tower 701, midfield for 20.
701, runway 20, cleared for the option. Wind variable at 4.
20, clear for the option, 701.
And Tower 91 Kilo Hotel, the Challenger on the ramp. We need to reposition back to the remote parking over here over our shoulder.
91 Kilo Delta, roger. Maneuver as needed. That's all non-movement area.
Thank you.
Thank you for calling. Lotus 153 Lima Golf Jackson Ground, good afternoon. You are cleared to Hotel Victor Charlie Airport Asphalt. Maintain 3,000. Expect 17,000 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Memphis Center 134.65, squawk 4314. Lotus 3 Lima Golf, read back correct. And runway 2, let's take you to Charlie Alpha. Correction, runway 20, taxi Charlie Alpha, cross runway 11 at Alpha.
Union City traffic, 6871 Delta Twin Cessna, about 20 to the south-southeast, coming in for straight in runway 1 in Union City. We're on a heading of 330 on the compass. We're going to intercept O'Brien and then do about a 5 mile leg to land at Union City. And we are at our altitude. We're down to 1,800, which is where we intercept. Okay, I have just hit approach on my STEC 55X. Everything should be as it needs to be. We'll see if it will fly it for me this time. Okay, back on mains. Should be looking for a turn in 3 miles to turn inbound. Union City traffic, 6871 Delta, 5 mile final, straight in, runway 1, Union City. Overshot it just a little bit, the autopilot did, but I think it can save itself. First bunch of flaps.
Cherokee 5, Fox Charlie 9, taking runway 1 for takeoff. We'll be departing to the northeast, Union City.
Here's my glide slope. Gear down. Watching for our friend ahead of us to take off. Union City traffic, 6871 Delta on final for 1. Just let me know when you're in the air if you would.
We're in the air now, sir.
Okay, I'll take the aircraft. Gear down. Flaps where they should be. Everything else, fuel, mixtures, everything is good.
Union City traffic, Cherokee 5, Fox Charlie, man the upwind leg, runway 01, making a right turn to the northeast, departing the pattern last call, Union City.
We're going to be just about right. We like to approach short final at about 90. There we go. Gear down. Union City traffic, 6871 Delta Twin Cessna, clear, be active. Music mixture mags.